This video is showing you our hose crimping machine P52. This machine with a quick change tool, and there are only two buttons on the control panel just to control the dies moving forward and backward. It's easy to understand. So we will make the hose assembly. Let me try. This is the ferrule. So the ferrule is in my hand. So the ferrule will put around the hose and and the nipples. So when we get the ferrules with the nipple together, we need to put this into the head of the machine. So the hose machine will give a very powerful force to make the hose assembly.